Hello all, good morning. This is Unity Fundamental Self-Assessment Round 1 and assignment number 2. What are the advantages of Unity? Explain with example. What are the limitations of Unity and how will you overcome these? First question is advantage of Unity. Explain with example. Advantage of Unity. The major advantage of Unity is a cross-platform. What is cross-platform? Where we can design one version of the game and we can build that game into different platforms like such as PC, iOS, Android. So we don't need to write a different versions for different platforms like PC, Android, iOS. We can use a single version of game, single version of coding, and we can build that into the different platforms. This is a major advantage. That's the main reason why the Unity is popular on the other gaming games. And the other advantages of the major another the next major advantage is Unity editor. It allows developers to make various type of options. The functionality features that Unity editor supports is much easier and higher level. Like we can design anything like graphically and create mechanical visuals, and we can create any functioning as well as graphically. And the other advantage I feel is documentation of the Unity. Wherever we stuck in the Unity, we will get that clear through the Unity documentation. We will have a lot of information on the documentation. It is we can get help regarding the editor as well as the coding part. These are the definitions which I explained. Well, the example is simple. Whenever we build a game like a 2D platformer or any whatever the game, we once we build the game, it is completely done. We can build the different. We can build it for a different platform through the Unity itself. It might be for WebGL, it might be iOS and PC, whatever. We no need to write separate developing codes or developing version for each platform. And additionally, it provides editor and documentation. Limitations on Unity, how you will overcome this. The limitations of Unity is its easiness of the using. Like because of this, we might like we might face some issues. We might be able to functioning. There are multiple features and functions. If we use excessively, what the it might lead to some memory issues or crashes. Like if you use a lot of assets coding, that might lead to some crashes or technical issues. Like we have to optimize the coding and we have to optimize the assets as well. Assets, whatever assets we are using inside the game. The other limitation is memory management. Though Unity manages memory automatically, the higher memory of assets coding might lead to the game crashes. If we have to compress the Unity. If we download any assets from the asset store, it automatically decompresses the assets when we import it to the project. If we are using any assets from the outside, like internet, so we have to compress them through the different applications to maintain the memory. Like if it is a higher memory game, it will might lead to the lag and crashes. The other limitation is cross-platform. Though it is supposed cross-platform, we have to use some SDK tools or plugins to make different version of the game, different for the different platform. There might be different specification for the each platform, different aspect ratios, different things. We for that we have to build uh, build differently. We have to make some modifications, and we need to use some tools and plugins for the to make the game fit into different platforms. And the other limitations, learning curve. Unity offers wide range of features and functionalities that which can be overwhelming for the beginners. There will be n number of like each option will have some multiple options to on that make functionality to different options. Like we have to invest enough time to understand this Unity functionality, then will be easy to use. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. That's all about Unity limitations and how to overcome this. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. Hope I am clear on my answers.